Kolkata, the city of joy, is not only known for its art, culture, and history but also for its diverse and soulful food scene. From authentic Bengali thalis to continental fine dining and iconic street food inspired menus, the city has something to offer every foodie. Here are the top 10 restaurants in Kolkata that promise unforgettable dining experiences. The first one is Six Palaganj Place. This heritage style restaurant is one of the best places to taste authentic Bengali cuisine in Kolkata. From kosher mangsho to luchi and pesto dishes. The menu celebrates traditional flavors. The interior reflects cold war charm with a homely vibe. Service is warm and the food presentation is simple yet elegant. A must visit for those who want to explore Bengal's culinary heritage. The second one is Peter Cat, an iconic restaurant on Park Street. Peter Cat is famous for its kebab kebab platters. The menu blends Mughlai, continental, and North Indian dishes. The dim lighting and classic wooden interior create a vintage feel. Portions are hearty and the taste are remained consistent for decades. It's one of the most beloved dining spots for both locals and tourists. The third one is Oh Kolkata. Oh Kolkata is a premium fine dining restaurant dedicated to authentic Bengali food. Their hilsa fish preparation, prawn malai curry, and Nolan curd desserts are top favorite. The interior are elegant, pretty refined decor that reflect Bengal's rich culture. Perfect for family gatherings and special occasions. It offers both traditional and innovative Bengali dishes. The fourth one is Mocambo. Another Park Street legend, Mocambo is popular for its continental classics and sizzlers. Their deviled crab and big fish are especially loved. The ambience has a retro old Kolkata charm and the service is efficient and friendly. It's perfect for those who love European style dining in a nostalgic setting. Mocambo continues to be a city favorite for decades. The fifth one is Arsalan. For biryani lovers, Arsalan is a household name in Kolkata where chicken and mutton biryani paired with kebabs and chow are incredibly popular. The flavors are rich and the portion generous, make it a value for money choice. The interior are simple but clean with fast service even during rush hours. It's a must visit for Mughlai cuisine enthusiasts. The next one is Bajohri Mana, a chain of restaurants offering authentic home-style Bengali food. Bajohri Mana is always buzzing with families. Dishes like babka chal, posha, mangsho, and doi mach are highlights of their menu. The ambience is simple and warm, recreating the comfort of a Bengali home kitchen. Further pricing and traditional recipes make it extremely popular among locals. The next one is Flores, a legendary tea room on Park Street. Flores is famous for its English breakfast and desserts. Their cakes, pastries, and tea are city favorites. The interior are elegant with a colonial touch that preserve its heritage. Service is polished and the place is perfect for yearly breakfast or evening tea. A Kolkata trip feels incomplete without visiting Flores. The next one is Koshi Kosha. Koshi Kosha specializes in local Bengali delicacies, especially Kosha Mangshi. Their menu highlights rich gravies and traditional spice blends. Their interiors are cozy and designed to reflect Bengali culture. Service is attractive and portion size are generous. It's a go-to place for those who love hearty, flavorful Bengali meals. The second last is mainland China. Mainland China is one of the most popular places in Kolkata for authentic Chinese cuisine. From dim sum and hot sauce to stir-fried noodles and gravy. The flavors are consistent and high quality. The interior are sophisticated, giving a fine dining experience. Families and business groups often prefer it for its service and reliability. It's a classic choice for pan-Asian dining. The last one is Ahili. Ahili offers a luxurious Bengali dining experience with a Thali-style menu. From luchi and shukto to fish fry and sweets, the thalis showcase Bengal's complete culinary journey. The ambience is defined with elegant decor and traditional touch. Service is professional and the food presentation add to the royal experience. It's a perfect for those who want a full Bengali feast. Kolkata's restaurants are a mix of tradition and modernity. Whether it's a Keela kebab at Peter Cat, a Nolankur dessert at Oak Kolkata, or biryani at Arsalan, the city of Farak, there for every mood. These top 10 restaurants truly capture the essence of Kolkata's diverse food culture.